Hey guys, it's me Sasi and welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to make one uh, simple yet a classic paneer kurma. So this is one item I never experimented with as it is classic on its own, and it was my mom's favorite. Uh, my wife and my son, they equally love this item, and it was an instant hit within my circle. So it is not spicy but subtle and with simple ingredients and cashews, paneer and coconut, so make this kurma super rich. So let's start cooking. So first let's check out the ingredients. So I have paneer, coconut, onion and tomato. So I don't use any powdered masala in this dish. So the green chili is what going to give that hotness, and cashew, uh, ginger garlic paste, the cumin seeds and ghee. It's all going to give a super aroma to the gravy. So first, let's fry the paneer with some ghee. So throughout this recipe, I'll be using a lot of ghee, or you can call it clarified butter. If you are diet conscious, don't even think about this dish. Or if you are a foodie like me, it's a must try, and I promise you will enjoy the richness of this curry. Once the paneer is golden brown, so transfer it immediately to a bowl with some cold water. So if you don't do this, the hot paneer will further cook by itself and become rubbery. So to avoid that overcooking, I usually put paneer in cold water immediately after frying. So next, in the same pan, I'm going to fry onion, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, tomato, coconut, cashew. So all these items I'm going to grind into a smooth paste, which is going to be the base, for this kurma. So the tomato is all mushy now, so I'm transferring it to a mixie jar and grind it to a smooth paste. Now all the ingredients are ready and time to assemble everything together. So first on a pan, I'm adding more ghee to fry some cumin seeds and curry leaves. This is again for a wonderful flavor. And also adding few more cashews. Actually, I love cashews. Now add the curry paste and water according to the consistency what you want the kurma to be, and turmeric powder a little bit and salt according to the taste. So once all the ingredients are in, cover the pan with a lid and bring the kurma to a boil under medium flame. Once the curry comes to a boil, turn off the flame and add the fried paneer. Again, don't boil the kurma any further, otherwise, the paneer will get overcooked. And finally, sprinkle some coriander on top, and an excellent paneer kurma is ready to be served. This kurma goes very well with rice, roti, and dosa. So, in addition to that, boil some egg, fry the boiled egg with salt and paprika. So, rice, paneer kurma, and fried egg is an ultimate combination. All right, it's tasting time, and I have Ritik here who's going to taste and tell how it is. All yours, sir.
Okay.
இது உன்னோட ஃபேவரட் தானே, அதையும் கொஞ்சம் சொல்லலாம். Do you like it? எவ்வளோ மார்க்ஸ் ரேட்டிங்?
I know.
You don't know why. All right, cut.
I know.
சரி, ஓகே.